Well, an absolutely beautiful afternoon across all of east and southeast Texas, southwestern Louisiana. Lots of sun today. Temperatures running in the lower 60s. Our Roofing 911 Skycam network. And we could see a little bit of patchy ground fog tonight, too. Very light winds out of the south. Of course, a lot of moisture still on the ground, as you'll see here in the Futurecast fog development here. A little bit of fog activity coming up tomorrow morning. We're not talking about sea fog, mainly just ground fog, but it is possible late tonight into tomorrow morning. It's been a beautiful afternoon. Lots of sunshine, a few high clouds beginning to creep in from the west. Now, the big weather story the next few days, not tomorrow, but Tuesday and Wednesday, is going to be gusty winds off the Gulf of Mexico. Look how windy we're expecting conditions to be on Tuesday into Wednesday. Some gusts 30 to 35 miles an hour. Not tomorrow, but Tuesday and Wednesday. That'll increase our moisture levels and give us a chance of showers coming up on Tuesday as an upper level disturbance passes north of the area. Once again, we're running in the 60s, certainly not nearly as cold tonight. We started out in the 30s this morning. We'll be in the 40s coming up for lows tonight. 60s covering much of Texas. Beautiful afternoon with light southerly winds beginning to return. There's those high clouds streaking to the east. They'll kind of move over tonight, tomorrow, but we're still expecting mostly clear skies tonight and lots of sun tomorrow. We've had high pressure in the upper atmosphere giving us that beautiful weather today. That'll be changing, though, as we head into the upcoming week. There's the next storm system we're watching. The good news with this, though, it'll pass mainly to our north, but passing far enough and just close enough to the north to give us a chance of showers at about 50%. So about half the area seeing some rain coming up on Tuesday. No severe weather expected. That'll all be well to our north and northeast. And Wednesday, we expect some scattered showers, and yet another system comes in from the southwest. Now, the one on Thursday morning will dig a little farther south, so we'll have some better energy with that. So it could be some pretty heavy thunderstorms around daybreak on Thursday as the system pulls on into the plains and we get our next cold front. Here's a look at Futurecast. Dry through tomorrow, but notice the showers working through the area. Nothing too intense, nothing real heavy as we head into Tuesday. And we could see a quarter, maybe a half an inch of rain. That's about it. Moves on off to the east, and we'll have just a few scattered showers locally on Wednesday at 30 to 40% working in off the Gulf of Mexico. Rainfall amounts Tuesday, not very impressive at all. Most areas well under an inch. Could be an inch of rain in a few spots for a quarter to a half an inch of rain as the scattered showers and storms work through the area coming up, it looks like, on a Tuesday morning to the early afternoon hours. Wind chills coming up in the 30s by next Friday morning. That cold front Thursday, they give some pretty chilly temperatures coming up, as you'll see on the 10-day forecast in just a moment. Tonight, we drop into the 40s, some patchy ground fog possible late tonight into tomorrow morning. Notice those lows dropping into the low 40s. So a chilly night, just not nearly as cold as what we had this morning. We had lows near freezing in the lakes this morning. Here in the Triangle, we were around 34, 35 degrees. Well into the upper 60s for highs tomorrow, into the lower 70s. Most areas with a mixture of sun and high clouds across southeast Texas. But no rain tomorrow. Then we'll see those scattered showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. Marine forecast sees a run 2 to 3 feet. Water temperature 56 in the Gulf of Mexico. Tonight, some patchy ground fog. Lows near 40 in the lakes, low 40s to mid 40s in the Triangle. Just about everybody should reach the lower 70s tomorrow. That's going to be nice with winds off the Gulf. Now, it's not going to be windy tomorrow, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, really windy. Those scattered showers Tuesday, scattered showers Wednesday, better chance of thunderstorms early Thursday. Then we'll dry out. Looks pretty cold for next weekend for lows. Lows will be in the 30s and highs in the 50s and 60s.
Wow, so we'll have to bring out those jackets for the Mardi Gras parade.
Yeah, it looks like lows in the 30s next Saturday morning, but highs will be around 60. So not too bad in the afternoon.
Not too bad, but when the sun goes down,
it'll be chilly.
Yeah, bring those hats, bring those jackets.
Exactly.
Thanks so much, Carrie.